Hi, and welcome back to the Modern Solopreneur. I'm Ashley Brown, and today we're going to discuss how to assign your domain name to your host. So it's super easy. I use Bluehost as my hosting provider. So I'm going to log in and go to my home page, and then I'm going to go to Domains. And I am going to come down here in my list of domains. The one I really want to add on is the Modern Solopreneur, but since it's already assigned, I'm going to pick one that's unassigned. So when you first register your domain name, it's going to say unassigned. So go ahead and click here, and we're going to assign the domain name. So enter domain name. It should already be pulled up. If it's not, you can go to your drop-down menu and pick which one it is, or you can go ahead and type it in here. Verify the ownership. Since we bought it through Bluehost, they know that we own it, so I don't have to verify that. If you bought it through somebody else, you're going to have to go to the verify ownership key, and it has like a serial number that you can type in here. And then we're going to add on domain. So there's a couple different options here, and I just wanted to explain all of them. The add-on domain is a domain name that points to a different subdirectory on your account, so it gives the ability to look completely different from other websites. So I have Always Elegant Photography, I have the Modern Solopreneur, and I have a couple other ones. We all use the same host, but they're all different domain names and they're completely separate businesses. So I would add a domain. If, for example, I was coming down here to this park domain, which I'm going to be doing shortly, and I say I have the Modern Solopreneur and Modern Solopreneur, no the in there, people kind of get them confused, so I want to register both names and point them both to the Modern Solopreneur. So I would click this option here, and then I'd show where to point it down there. Or the unassigned domain, it's attached to your account but doesn't point to a website or have anything connected to it. For me, this option works the best, so I just click on that. And then I want to choose the add-on directory or the subdomain. So if my main business that I have connected to everything is alwayselegantevents.com, which has nothing to do with the Modern Solopreneur, but since I already have hosting through it, this is where it goes. And then, so I would use an existing directory, or I could create a new one and just type in the Modern Solopreneur, and then I would also put it in here the subname, so it would be subname the Modern Solopreneur alwayselegantevents.com, which this has nothing to do with it. It's just how it's all registered for billing. And it says right here, this subdomain is required for your cPanel, which is all through Bluehost, and you will still be able to have access to your domain directly if you just type in the modernsolopreneur.com. And then you would just go to assign this domain. And that is it. Super easy to assign your domain name to your user host, or in my case, Bluehost. So you have to do that before you can go ahead and install any themes on it or WordPress or anything like that. So now that you have your domain name registered and you have a hosting provider, go ahead and assign your host name. I'm Ashley Brown with the Modern Solopreneur, and if you found our video helpful today, please share it with your friends and like our Facebook page to keep encouraging us to make more videos. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.